43% of my income comes from YouTube alone, which amounts to about $83,000 a year.
Question: how much is your annual income? Question number 2: how many subscribers do you think this guy has? 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, a million, more than a million? Well, if you guessed any of these numbers, sad to tell you, you're wrong. Meet Josh Elwood. Josh was recently on the episode of CNBC's Making It. He's a YouTube creator. His channel is Debt to Dollars. Debt to Dollars has a whopping 69K subscribers. So in the world of YouTube, Josh is like a startup if you compare it to a business. Now in the world of YouTube, 69K is not that much. And then if you see here, if we go to his videos, he has some videos at only 1K, 1K again, and then a video about 3 months ago only has 700 views. Now, relatively, let's take a look at my channel, which I started 3 days ago, and it already has 600 views. So that should put things into perspective. What's good, Street Scholars and all my new people here? I'm Timid Plug, serial entrepreneur, graphic designer, photographer, videographer. I help build brands for people and help them live their dreams. I'm going to break down the reasons why you think you can't make money on YouTube, and then after that, I'm going to break down the reasons why you can make money. So I can show you exactly what it is you need to do and that you can make money on YouTube. So spoiler alert, you can make money off YouTube. Yes, you. Now before we get started, do me a favor. As soon as you hear something that gives you some information that you didn't know, or something clicks for you, go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, if not right now, and let's go ahead and get right into it.
My Amazon store brought in just under $14,000 last year profit. I made just over $33,000 on Patreon, just over $29,000 on Fiverr, $29,000 from affiliate marketing. My cash flow for my rental property was just over $1,200, and I made $639 from dividend payments.
So boom, as you can see, the way that he makes money off of YouTube is AdSense, branding deals, sponsorships, some of that affiliate marketing you saw inside there. But all of those things are reliant on YouTube. With his channel, you can see that he's not even the best at his own field in crafts, which is Amazon FBA or drop shipping, or the real estate market that he's on as well. Those aren't some of his biggest streams of income. It's all YouTube. Now, reason number 1 you think you can't do YouTube. I don't know what to talk about. You don't know what to talk about. It's a simple one. What do you love the most? What are you absolutely passionate about that you could talk about all day? That's where you start. What do you and your family and friends talk about when you guys are conversing? That's another thing that you could go off of. What do you watch when you get on YouTube that's entertaining for you? These are all things that you can do as far as topics and things to go off of. On the subject of YouTube, you can go to your favorite YouTuber's channel and see some of the patterns and start doing your research there. I don't have the right equipment. I don't have the right equipment. So let me ask you a question. What is the right equipment? A fancy camera? Video editing software? Do you know how many videos with regular just iPhones or camera phones have hundreds of thousands of views? Not to mention, speaking of iPhone, not saying you can't do this with any other phone, but if you have an iPhone specifically, you literally have every single tool you need to get started right now on YouTube and start making videos. So yeah, once again, it's not about what you have, it's about how you use it. You can get started right now, no excuses. I don't have the time. You don't have the time. So thousands of dollars, you don't have time to go after your dreams, thousands of dollars, and live freely doing what you love to do. Hey, I hear you, but what I would say is this. If you can dedicate at least 1 hour a day, or even one day in general, a whole day, or maybe a couple hours on that day, and make one video a week, you have time. And if you don't have time, if it came down to a monetary, can you make money off of YouTube? You should make time to do so. Because you could be making 6 figures and you don't even know when if you just consistently make videos. The more videos you make, the better you'll get at it. I don't even know how to edit videos. You don't know how to edit video. Neither did 90% of YouTube before they got on it. The thing is, once again, practice makes progress. So the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. It just takes time. Also, I got a video or a couple of videos that I'm going to link inside the description to show you the process of video editing and how to make that process go way quicker. Make sure you check those out. Once again, if you're finding some type of value in this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I am a smaller channel and newer, and it would really help me out. And did I mention, most of that stuff that I'm going to be going over in those videos is absolutely free as well. Next reason, YouTube is way too competitive. It's too competitive. Listen, Google is the largest search platform in the world. Google owns YouTube. YouTube is the second largest social media platform in the world. Not TikTok, not Twitter, YouTube. YouTube has over 2.6 billion users. Trust me, even if everybody had a YouTube channel, it wouldn't affect your channel. The only thing that determines your success of your channel is you. And last but not least, why would anybody watch me? Nobody wants to watch me. Nobody will watch me. Once again, this ties right back into what I initially said in the last point. YouTube has over 2.6 billion people actively on the platform. If you just make the videos, I don't care if it's even just 3 people, somebody will watch your videos. Somebody's going to absolutely love your content. They're going to share your content, and it's going to grow. You can't think like that as far as somebody's not going to watch your video. What you have might be exactly what's missing. It probably is, because YouTube is missing you. So to sum all this up, more importantly, stop telling yourself you can't do YouTube and start telling yourself, why can't you do YouTube? Because if you don't do it, somebody else is starting right now and making money right now on YouTube, and that can be you. I know it's going to be me, and that's why I'm here right now. Hey, if you like this video, once again, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Timmy the Plug, signing off.